Hey everyone, welcome back to Cells to Cell. My name is Heem. This is Nick, and we for our Trivia Tuesday this week we have Samita. So we have a 16 question
Quiz.
quiz. What quiz was this?
I think this is like a
Cell organelle.
cell
one?
organelle quiz.
So we're all gonna take 5 questions, one by one. We're gonna see who does the best out of each of the questions. Hopefully, it's balanced in terms of difficulty for all of us. But yeah, you do you want to kick us off since
first?
you're already
Sure.
sitting there?
Alright.
All right.
The
Okay.
first 5 questions.
Good luck. So you want to read out the question?
Sure. What is the function of a cell wall? The first answer is structure and protection. And the second one is organizes DNA. Third is digests, recycles materials. And fourth is communication junction between adjoining cells. And fifth is ATP formation.
So what do you think it is? What do you think the function of the cell wall is?
I would say structure and protection.
Structure and protection. Confirm?
Yeah.
That's right. 1 for 1.
Nice.
Okay, next question. I can just read them if you want.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Just you can also read them, but I'll read them out loud.
Okay.
So, but you can also look up.
Yeah,
you
yeah.
know. So chloroplasts play an important role in A, organizing and moving internal parts of the cell contraction, movements, and structural support, assembly of subunits of ribosomes, photosynthesis, or structurally supports and gives shapes to the cell.
I would say photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis confirmed?
Yeah.
Correct. 2 for 2.
I'm glad.
All right. Question 3. What is the function of the central vacuole?
Ooh, I might not know that.
Central vacuole, okay?
Central vacuole.
ATP formation, protein synthesis,
Uh-huh.
modifies, sorts, and ships lipids for export or for insertion, organizes and moves internal parts of the cell, or increases the cell surface area and stores metabolic waste.
I might do this like an elimination
Yeah,
sort of
that's fine.
way. So, modify, sort. Let's go with modify, sorts, and ships lipids for export for insertion
Confirm.
into the cell membrane. Yeah.
Oh, it's wrong.
Oh no! What's in it?
The answer is D. Or E, sorry. What is the function of the central vacuole? It's increasing the cell surface area and storing
Oh, really?
metabolic waste. I did not know that.
Yeah, I'm learning.
Alright, 2 for 3. Question number 4. Nucleus plays an important role in digestion, recycle materials, organizing DNA, structurally supporting and gives shape to a cell, organizing and moves internal parts of the cell, or makes lipids, degrades fats, and activates toxins.
Definitely organizing DNA.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay. Correct. Okay, not bad. 3 for 4.
Mhm.
Question 5, last one. What is the role of the nucleolus? Modifies, sorts, and ships lipids for export, protein synthesis, controls the substances going inside and outside of the cell, or assembly of subunits of ribosomes, or photosynthesis.
This is a hard one.
Role of the nucleolus. I actually don't know this.
Yeah, is a nucleolus upper inside nucleus?
I actually don't know. Do you know, Nick?
The nucleolus. What was the question again?
What is the role of nucleolus?
And then what are the... What are the... Repeat the...
Modifies, sorts, ships, lipids. Is it for protein synthesis? Controlling substances going inside and outside the cell?
Mhm.
Assembly of subunits of ribosomes, or photosynthesis? What is a nucleolus?
I know the answer.
I would say I don't know. Assembly of I mean ribosomes have synthesizes protein. Which is in the ER.
I have my answer, but I'm trying to win, so I'm not...
Oh my god. This guy.
He's playing evil.
Yeah.
I would say assembly of subunit of ribosomes.
Okay. Check it out. That's true.
Oh my gosh, I was just
Yeah,
going
good
guessing
job.
at
4
this
for
time.
5.
4. No.
4
Yeah,
to
four-
5.
you got 4 out of 5?
Yeah, 4 to
Wow.
5.
Pretty solid.
Yeah.
All right,
I'm
I
glad.
can do the next 5.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Okay. You can move
Yeah,
over.
sure.
Switch chairs.
Switch chairs, whatever. Okay.
Should I move?
Woo! Question number 6.
Ian, do you want me to read you the questions?
No, I'm gonna. You could, but I'm gonna also look at them.
Just read them.
Okay. What is the role of the ribosomes? Protein synthesis, modifies new polypeptide chains, and synthesizes lipids. Structurally supports and gives shape to cell contraction movements, or ATP formation. I think it has to do with protein synthesis.
I gave you that answer.
I know, I know. We already knew about it. Correct. 1 for 1. Question 7. What is the function of the rough ER? Ooh. Modify, sorts, ships lipids for export, digest and recycled materials, assembly of subunit of ribosomes, communication junction between adjoining cells, or modifies new polypeptide chains and synthesizes lipids. I think it assembly of subunit ribosomes, or that was nucleolus, right?
Yeah, that.
So the rough ER. I'm gonna say it's either modifies new polypeptide chains and synthesizes lipids, or modifies sorts and ships lipids for export. No, that's a Golgi.
Yeah.
Ooh.
The answer's
I'm
kind
gonna
of
say
throwing
I'm
you
gonna
off.
say E. I'm gonna say E. That's
Yeah,
correct.
Good job.
Yes. All right, 2 for
You're
2.
getting all the answers right.
2 for 2. Calm down. It's just 2
Alright,
for 2.
alright.
Okay. Third question. Question 8. What is the function of the smooth ER? Ooh. Communication junction between adjoining cells. Nope. Organizes DNA. Nope. Makes lipids, degrades fats, and inactivates toxins. Maybe. Organizes and moves internal parts of the cell. Maybe. Digest and recycle materials. Smooth ER. Oh God.
Smoothie or not? Okay.
I think I'm. No. Organizing and moving internal parts of the cell is Golgi, right? So I'm gonna say makes lipids, degrades fats, and inactivates toxins. No way!
Nice. Good
No
job.
way! No way! All right, 3 for
Getting all
3.
of them.
I thought that was a lysosome.
I know.
I would have gotten that question wrong.
Okay, I got it.
That was good. That was good.
Sweet. All right. What is the importance of the Golgi body? Here we go. Modifies, sorts, and ships lipids. Yeah. ATP formation? No. Photosynthesis? No. Communication junction between adjoining cells? No. Photosynthesis? No.
Your answers, the questions are pretty easy.
Easy. 4 for 4. Now last question. Here we go. Lysosome-like vesicle helps in organizing, moving internal parts of the cell? No. Photosynthesis? No. Makes lipids, degrades fats, and inactivates toxins? No. Digesting and recycling materials? Yes. Structurally supporting a cell? No. 5 for 5!
Oh my gosh.
Dude, I killed that one. That was so good.
My turn.
You're on 11 already. That was amazing. I'm so happy.
He wanted an easy one this week.
Yeah.
He didn't.
Oh, yeah?
He didn't like the physiology one last week. I personally liked the really hard physiology question. I think that was a lot of fun. But
Get in the middle.
it doesn't feel like the middle. But okay.
Good luck.
All right. I have 5 questions, and then if we have 2, question 16 will be a tiebreaker
If needed.
if needed. Wow. Okay.
I need that.
Okay. What is the function of the plasma membrane? Is it A, makes lipids, degrades fats and inactivates toxins? Is it protein synthesis, digests and recycles materials, organizes DNA, or controls the substances going inside and out of the cell? I'm going to go with E. It controls what comes in and out of the cell. It is semi-permeable. So my answer, that is correct.
Good job. One
That's
for
correct.
one.
1 for 1. Let's go. Next question. Mitochondrion helps in blank. Do I have to read all of these? Because, like, I just know it without seeing
Okay,
it.
the
Oh my-
mitochondria is a bit easy. You can
Yeah.
just say
Yeah.
the answer.
It doesn't digest and recycle materials.
Yeah.
It does not organize DNA. It doesn't modify really anything and ship anything. And it does not structurally support the cell. So it's going to be ATP formation, D. That is correct.
Because it has the electron transport chain.
In the Krebs cycle.
Yes, sir.
Forgot about that. You know the Krebs cycle, you know how you have to memorize like the 8 enzymes like in the circle and how like
That's
it
a
works?
coenzyme.
Apparently that's just like one big ball and it just like hops around.
No way.
Yeah.
Wow.
It doesn't like go down a line or like in a circle. That's just like to visualize. It's like a big ball of enzymes and just jumps like it's
What?
crazy cool. Okay. What role does the cytoskeleton play? Structure and protection, organizes and moves internal parts of the cell, organizes DNA, makes lipids, degrades fats, and inactivates toxins, or structurally supports and gives shape to the cell, and moves the cell and its components. I am going with E because it's a combination of A and B are both correct. I'm going to submit my answer, and that is correct. You okay, Heem?
3 for 3?
3 for 3.
What?
3 for 3.
It's okay. You never know.
Ooh, microtubules help in blank.
I know this.
Do you?
Yes.
Okay, good. I'm glad. Is it A? Modifies, sorts, and ships lipids for export or for insertion into the cell membrane. I'm just reading these in my head. Organizes DNA, organizing and moving internal cell or internal parts of the cell, makes lipids, degrades fats, and inactivates toxins. Or is it E, assembly of subunits of ribosomes? This one is kind of throwing me off a little bit because I'm thinking, no, what am I thinking? It's C, organizing and moving internal cellular components. That is correct.
4
4 for 4. Okay, last one. And this pushes for a tiebreaker between me and Heem. So, because I'll be 5 for 5. You'll be 5 for 5. Then we have one question left, and then we can have.
Samita read it.
Yeah, she can read it, and then it's like.
Whoever gets it gets it.
Let me answer this question first, and then. So microfilaments help in, because I might not get this. Microfilaments help in blank. Assembly of subunits of ribosomes, cell contraction movements, and structural support, controls the substances going in and out of the cell, organizes DNA or protein synthesis. It is B, cell contraction, movements, and structural support.
That's true.
Mm-hmm.
I know that is.
All right, so for the last question, I'm not going to
Don't
look
read
at
it.
it. I'm
Don't look at
not,
it.
I'm not.
Sure.
So I think
I
that,
got it.
here, come in here. Okay, so how do we determine who?
The fastest one.
Let's see if we can get it. Let's see if we can get it without you reading the
Okay.
answers.
Okay, sure.
I rolled over the curtain. So okay, let's see. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right.
Intermediate filament helps in blank.
Intermediate filament.
Yeah.
Structural support.
Bam,
Structural
Bam,
support.
no.
Movement.
Oh no, you're done. I get a chance now.
Oh,
No.
that's some harsh.
Well then, what am I supposed to go? Okay.
Okay, fine. Yeah, that's my answer.
Okay.
Okay. You won your round.
Microfilaments or intermediate?
Intermediate.
filaments.
Oh my god, wait.
There's like 3 types of.
There are 3 types of
microtubule,
microtubules.
intermediate filament, and.
I'm gonna guess that it helps transport things across the cell.
No.
Back to me.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say intermediate filaments help with mitosis.
That's a microtubule. At the end of the polarizing
Yeah, I
cell,
know,
so
yeah.
that's the microtubule.
Intermediate.
Then do these intermediate filaments help with cytoskeleton structure?
Sort of, but not really. It does at the functional level.
So like that's what we want, right?
The answer is strengthening the cell.
Strengthening the cell.
Well, we
Yeah.
tied.
Yeah.
Okay.
Neither of us got that right. Actually, you can. Did you answer that correctly?
Yeah.
You answered that
Yeah,
correctly?
I was
Oh,
doing.
so good.
I was doing that well. While
So
you
we
were
all
taking
got
the
5 questions correct.
Oh yay!
And
Yay.
so
Happy
3-way
days.
tie.
Yeah.
That was. I mean, that was fun. The first time we're doing a quiz
With
with
the
a guest, and I think that is kind of a cool concept that he came up with.
Yeah.
So, we'll definitely do more of these if our guests are willing to take them. We had Hong on last time, and he did not want to take a quiz with us, so
Aw.
we were kind of sad. But
Because of time. He had
yeah,
class,
he had the class.
yeah.
But
I see.
no, that was a lot of fun. So
Thank you for
we want to
inviting
say
me. Yeah.
thank you one more time for coming on both of these videos with us. It's been a lot of fun.
You're welcome.
We totally forgot to change.
I know, it's okay.
Same
So
here.
it's okay. Hey, you know what? That's perfectly fine. It's
Yeah.
really okay. So, all right. Anything else from you two?
Keep on going.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. We
Yeah.
will. So thank you for watching Cells to Cell. I'm Nick. That's Heem. And again, we want to say thank you for coming on.
Thank you.
Have a good one, guys. See ya.
See ya.